Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. Today we will start our lesson from the first lesson, which is Sunrise Book. We will continue from the Unit 16, Lesson 1, 2, 3. I'm just explaining the important things. Those which is not that much, I will give you as a homework. So be with me, we will start. Okay, this is Unit 16, Lesson 1. We have some new vocabulary. These vocabulary we know about each one of them. If you like buy, sell, organize, close, open, and help. These verbs we will know about them, and we have to know about the meaning of them. They are all in action. They are verb. So buy means that you are buying things. You pay the money for them in order to get the things that you want. Sell, that you want to sell it. Sell things in order to get the money. Organize, if you are looking at this man is organizing these stuffs in order to looking like and organizing things. We have close, for example, we are closing things or closing door, closing this box. Open, it means that you're open it. Help, when someone needs help in order to get help them. This is a verb. So these verbs you have to write in your notebook of Sunrise, and it's important to know about each one of them, meaning of them. Let's go to the other lesson. Okay, we have this exercise, guys. They said choose 2 words for each verb. They are verb, as we are talking about right now. We have to choose 2 of them which is suitable for these verbs. For example, we have organize. So we have to say organize a charity event or a party or a bread. Organize a charity event. This is an important, this is suitable for the verb of organize. And we cannot say bread. They are not suitable with each other. So a party. So organize a charity event and a party, which is suitable for each other's. For example, buy food, friend, shoes. Which one is suitable? Buy food. And we cannot say buy a friend, we can say buy shoes. So whatever I did on the book, you have to rewrite it and circle the suitable words. And we have sell, fruit, money, computer. The rest I will leave it to you. You can solve it and send it to me whenever I send it to the group Viber, okay? So I will left it those for yourself. All right. And now we have reading one. What's your duty in this part? You have to read it and get the meaning of them, what these characters do, and rewrite it in your Sunrise notebook, okay? We have Unit 16, Lesson 2, read, listen, and say. The RNLI is fantastic, this girl is saying. Yes, it is. I want to organize a charity event for them. That's a great idea. What can we do? I know, we can make Kurdish food and sell it in the town. That's a brilliant idea. Let's plan it. 1 week later. What about soft drinks? Dad is buying them. Aras is helping him. Everything for a delicious Kurdish breakfast. So you have to write these reading one in your notebook. So let's go to the other part. All right. Unit 16, Lesson 2. This part we will talk about I like things, or I don't like, or she doesn't like, according to the subjects. We will write some stuffs which is suitable. We have to know about them. For example, you have to write this as a homework, guys, this is all about me. As always, you know that this is your homework. You have to write in your notebook. So my friend and me, you're talking about your friend and yourself. Like it should be two parts. How? My friend likes apples. I like them too. How? Okay, according to the subject that you are talking about, for example, if it is he, she, it, so it should be plus likes. Alright? When it is the subject, when it is singular, we have to add s. We all know about them. When it is not subject, like the subject it's not singular, it doesn't need to write s with like. For example, we, you, they, and I as well, plus like alone. Alright, so this is about grammar. We have to know about them. Although we know it before, but just review and reminding yourself. For example, my friend likes apples. I like them too. For example, you have the same things that you like. You will say, my friend likes, because you have one friend. My friend, it hasn't add s, so it is one friend. Likes, that's why we put es or s, we can say. Apples, so apples it is more than one, that's why. I like them too. You see, we have I, which is a subject, which is plural one, that's why I'm not add any s for them, for here. Alright, my friend doesn't like cheese. I like it. For the negative part, we can say negative part. Okay, so it means plus not. Okay, so we will add not. You know, for like and likes, we don't have any helping verb, so we have to add it by do and does. So, doesn't or don't. You see? So we have doesn't and don't. According to the subject that we have, when it is singular, like them, we will use doesn't. When it is plural, like them, we will use don't. So you have to say he doesn't, she doesn't, like that. We don't. For example, I don't, they don't, like this, okay? So this is about our grammar, about them. So let's go to the other pages together. Okay, guys. So we will go to the Unit 16, Lesson 3. We have sounds. Here, in this sounds, we have two types of sounds. Till now, we just study only one type of them. But in this unit, which is at the end of the book, we have two types of sounds. For example, we have I and E. So according to the word, it's different. How? For example, we have the word nine. Nine. If you are focusing on me, that I'm reading how I'm pronouncing the letter I and letter E, nine. Nine. The I, it has a long I, A-I, and the E, it hasn't pronounced any letter. We all know that it's a rule, E at the end, it hasn't any sound. So in this word, like nine, I'll write it here. So I it has a long sound. E, it has an any sound, so it is silent. So let's go to the tired. You see, we have I and E, but this time E it is pronounced. Why? It helped ed, it helped D to pronounce it pronounce it well. So tired, I, it makes a long sound. So I'll change the color one to green. I, it has a sound. This is a transcription. A and I, like this. Okay? So E here, it has a sound which is called shua. Okay? Short sound, like this. So each one of them, it has the same. For example, ride, E, it is silent. Firefighter, it has the same transcription. I, it has A and I, A small, lowercase, I, uppercase. That we have to know. It is the transcription for them. Okay. Now let's go to the this reading one. This is really important, guys. You have to know about them. So I'll write INT here on it. So read about breakfast in different countries. Find the food in the pictures. Close your books and talk about the meal. So guys, what's your duty in this situation? You have to write in your notebook first. Then you have to memorize them. Like how? For example, we're talking about Lebanon. You have to underline it, guys. Lebanon, in Lebanon. A traditional breakfast is hummus and bread with olive oil. So what's important, you have to memorize Lebanon, which is a traditional breakfast. It is hummus and bread and olive oil. Okay? Then Kurdistan. Guys, one thing, in some of your books, maybe it's ancient, that's why, here it hasn't Kurdistan, it has Germany. So just remove Germany, we need Kurdistan, we have to know about them. So write this one on your book, and when you write it, rewrite it in your notebook. So write Kurdistan instead of Germany, okay? So let's go to the Kurdistan. In Kurdistan, a traditional breakfast is bread, cheese, yogurt, and tea. So this is our traditional breakfast. Like originally, we are eating these for the breakfast. In Australia, a traditional breakfast is fruit juice, and cereal. So these are, you have to know, and this is important. Let's go to the England. Eggs are popular at breakfast. Eggs are popular at the breakfast. So everybody likes fried eggs, fried bread, and fried tomatoes. You know all what does that mean, fried? So eggs, it's really popular in this at the breakfast for England one, and they like fried eggs, fried bread, and fried tomatoes. So these are about our lesson for today. I'm really glad that you can see me and you can study even at home. We will not give up. I feel and I hope you guys feel safe and sound. Please be safe and study very well. For the activity book, inshallah, we will study together. I will send it a homework for you. Any question, anything, if you have, you can ask me and you can send me a message. Goodbye and say salam to your parents.